Start with a simple but powerful truth. Money alone doesn't guarantee success or happiness. Think about it. How many stories have you heard of lottery winners who lost it all or high earners who still live paycheck to paycheck? The reality is, without the right mindset and habits, even a large income can slip through your fingers. Today we're going to explore the skill that quietly shapes destinies, a skill more valuable than money itself. This isn't about hype or shortcut. It's about understanding what truly creates lasting financial well-being. Many people believe that earning more is the answer to all their problems. But if that were true, why do so many high-income individuals still feel stressed about money? The answer lies in the difference between income and wealth. Income is what you earn, wealth is what you keep and grow. Without the right approach, even a six-figure salary can vanish quickly. The real challenge isn't just making money, it's keeping it, growing it, and using it wisely. This is where most people stumble, regardless of their paycheck. It's a common story. Someone gets a raise or a better job, but their financial situation doesn't improve. Why? Because their spending habits rise with their income. This phenomenon, often called lifestyle inflation, traps people in a cycle where more money simply means more expenses. The result? Little to no progress toward real financial security. The problem isn't the amount of money coming in, it's the lack of control over where it goes. This is the silent struggle behind many financial stories. Oh, what's the skill that matters more than money? It's financial discipline. This isn't about being frugal for the sake of it or denying yourself every pleasure. It's about making conscious decisions, knowing when to spend, when to save, and when to wait. Financial discipline is the quiet force that turns income into wealth and dreams into reality. It's the ability to delay gratification, to prioritize long-term goals over short-term desires. This skill is available to anyone, regardless of how much they earn. Financial discipline means having control over your money instead of letting it control you. It's about setting boundaries, making plans, and sticking to them even when it's tempting to do otherwise. This skill isn't about deprivation, it's about intention. It's the difference between buying something because you want it now and waiting because you know it will serve you better later. With discipline, you build habits that support your goals, not sabotage them. Every financial outcome starts with a decision. Do you spend or save, invest or splurge? The quality of your decisions shapes your financial future far more than the size of your paycheck. Financial discipline is really about making better decisions consistently. It's about pausing before you act, considering the consequences, and choosing the path that aligns with your values and goals. Over time, these small decisions compound into big results. Delayed gratification is the ability to resist the temptation of an immediate reward in favor of a greater reward later. It's a cornerstone of financial discipline. When you choose to save instead of spend or invest instead of indulge, you're practicing delayed gratification. This skill isn't always easy, especially in a world that encourages instant pleasure, but those who master it find themselves in control, not just of their money but of their future. You might wonder why focus so much on discipline. Because it's the foundation for every other financial skill. Budgeting, investing, saving, they all require discipline at their core. Without it, even the best financial strategies fall apart. With it, even modest incomes can grow into real wealth. Discipline is the difference between fleeting riches and lasting prosperity. It's the quiet engine behind every financial success story. Let's look at a real-life example. Imagine two people, Alex and Jamie, both earn the same salary. Alex spends freely, upgrading their lifestyle with every raise. Jamie, on the other hand, practices financial discipline, saving, investing, and living below their means. Fast forward 10 years, Alex is still living paycheck to paycheck while Jamie has built a comfortable safety net and is on track for financial freedom. The difference isn't income, it's discipline. Sets Jamie apart isn't luck or intelligence, it's mindset. Jamie sees money as a tool, not a goal. This perspective makes it easier to make disciplined choices even when it's hard. By focusing on long-term rewards instead of short-term pleasures, Jamie creates a cycle of positive financial decisions. This mindset is available to anyone willing to practice it. It's not about sacrifice, it's about empowerment. Building financial discipline doesn't require drastic changes overnight. Start small, track your spending for a week, just observe, no judgment. Notice where your money goes and ask yourself if those choices align with your goals. Next, set a simple rule like saving a fixed percentage of every paycheck. These small steps build awareness and create momentum. Over time, they become habits that support your financial well-being. Habits are the building blocks of discipline. When you automate good decisions like saving before spending or reviewing your budget regularly, you remove willpower from the equation. This makes discipline easier and more sustainable. Over time, these habits compound, leading to significant financial progress. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency and growth. It's easy to fall into traps, impulse purchases, emotional spending, or comparing yourself to others. Recognize these patterns and create safeguards. For example, wait 24 hours before making non-essential purchases. Unsubscribe from tempting marketing emails. Surround yourself with people who support your goals. These small actions protect your discipline and keep you on track. Discipline isn't about denying yourself joy. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Did you stick to your budget this month? Treat yourself to a simple reward. These celebrations reinforce positive behavior and make the journey enjoyable. Remember, financial discipline is a lifelong skill, not a temporary fix. Every step forward is worth acknowledging. Take time to reflect on your financial decisions. What worked well? What could you improve? Reflection helps you learn from experience and adjust your approach. It's not about criticism, it's about growth. By regularly checking in with yourself, you stay aligned with your goals and continue building discipline over time. Financial discipline isn't just about today, it's about shaping your future. The habits you build now will serve you for decades. Over time, disciplined choices lead to financial security, freedom, and peace of mind. You'll be prepared for opportunities and resilient in the face of challenges. This is the real reward of discipline, a life of choice, not chance. At its core, financial discipline is a mindset. It's about valuing your future self as much as your present self. When you make decisions from this perspective, you naturally prioritize what matters most. Money becomes a tool for building the life you want, not a source of stress or anxiety. This shift in thinking is where true financial transformation begins. There are many tools to help you build discipline: budgeting apps, automatic transfers, and spending trackers. Use them to make good decisions easier. The right tools remove friction and help you stay consistent. Remember, tools are only as effective as the habits behind them. Choose what works for you and stick with it. Building discipline is easier with support. Share your goals with a trusted friend or partner. Join a community focused on financial growth. Accountability and encouragement make it easier to stay on track, especially when challenges arise. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. Now is the perfect time to start. Choose one small action you can take today: track your spending, set a savings goal, or reflect on your mindset. Remember, discipline is built one decision at a time. The journey may not always be easy, but every step brings you closer to the life you want. Start now and let your actions speak for themselves. Sum up: the skill that matters more than money is financial discipline. It's the quiet force behind every lasting success, available to anyone willing to practice it. Focus on building habits, making intentional decisions, and supporting your growth with the right mindset and tools. Remember, your financial future is shaped not by how much you earn, but by how well you manage what you have. Stay consistent, stay patient, and trust the process.